The Indian Defence Ministry has taken a significant step towards strengthening the IAF with the recent approval and contract signing to procure 97 Tejas Mk1A light combat aircraft. Now, what is this deal about and how will this boost India's defence technology? Let's understand. But first, let's talk about the key highlights of the deal. The Defence Ministry signed a contract worth Rs 62,370 crores with the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for the procurement of 97 Tejas Mk1A jets. The contract includes 68 single-seat fighters and 29 twin-seat trainers along with associated equipment. Deliveries are scheduled to begin in 2027-28 and will be completed over a 6-year period. Well, this is the second major contract with HAL for the Tejas Mk1A. Earlier in February 2021, a 48,000 crore deal was signed for 83 jets. Now let's move on to understand the features of Tejas Mk1A aircraft. The Tejas Mk1A is a 4.5th generation all-weather multi-role fighter jet developed indigenously by HAL. It will replace the aging MiG-21 fleet of the IAF, which is being retired after decades of service. Designed for high-threat aerial environments, the aircraft can perform air defense, maritime reconnaissance and strike missions. The aircraft has over 64% indigenous content with 67 additional indigenous components beyond the earlier Mk1A version. It consists of advanced systems such as the Uttam AESA radar, Swayam Raksha Kavach and modern control surface actuators. A digital fly-by-wire flight control computer that enhances flight safety and maneuverability. It has an ability to carry a variety of weapons including Israeli Derby missiles and indigenous Astra missiles on its 9 hard points. The aircraft also has enhanced electronic warfare and communication systems for improved combat performance. And that's not all. There is a strategic importance attached to the deal as well. The procurement aligns with the government's Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, supported by a robust network of 105 Indian vendors, boosting the domestic aerospace and defense ecosystem. It is expected to generate around 11,750 direct and indirect jobs annually during the production phase. It will also help the IAF increase the number of fighter squadrons, which have decreased from 42 to 31 in recent years, strengthening India's air defense capabilities. Overall, the Tejas Mk1A deal marks a major leap in India's defense manufacturing and operational readiness. This acquisition, therefore, not only modernizes the fleet, but also significantly boosts India's position in global defense technology. What are your thoughts? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.